Trust me.
Yes.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. But there's a side to you.
What is wrong with you?
You never knew all the things you say, they were never.
I'm not jealous, Stefan.
I promise you.